The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., a line of showers producing gusty winds was located along a line extending from 16 nautical miles northwest of Stamford Harbor to 13 nautical miles northwest of Captain Harbor to 14 nautical miles northwest of Mamaroneck Harbor, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The gust front will be near Captain Harbor and Stamford Harbor around 7:50 p.m. Long Neck Point around 7:55 p.m. Norwalk Islands around 8 p.m. Petfield Reef and Bridgeport around 8:05 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Strong winds and high waves are expected. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible.